Alright, on today's project, I got my lift warming up. I have to work on this roller, this rotary press, and I forgot about it for a long time. See the part right here? That there is broke. You need to put this in there. I gotta take this all apart and raise these rollers up. These rollers on this side is probably about 150 pounds. It's like it got a shaft of steel through it, but there's a little bit of rubber on it. But that sucker's heavy. I had to get that thing fixed at one time, recoated, because there was too many grooves in it. So I'm gonna take it apart, and I have to take these dang things out of here because I'm gonna get in here with the forklift. And yeah, I don't know if I want to use the lift to pull that out of there. I probably can. All right, let me find a place to put my camera. Second day. All right. I have to. This is a 3/4 inch bolt. I hate these wrenches. Oh God. I can't find my regular wrench that I would normally use for this. You could be hanging up down there, huh? Things disappear. I think I had to replace one of these before. How many years ago? Move that like that. And at least on that other side. Take this side out. That out. Right. Down on the ground. Come on. Open that up. Alright, I open that up. I go to this side. I don't think I need to remove this bar. I just need to pick this up just a hair. He's got glue all over this. Anyways. Yeah, I'm going to put the forks in here and raise it up just a little bit to get that part out of there. There's a pin that it sits on, and it's probably about 1 inch. So if I just pick these up a few inches, it should work. Huh? What do you think? What do you think? the forks at either side, that the channel that falls down in there is very brittle. That looks like that'll work. Yeah, whenever you take these out, you have to make sure you pull them things out exactly, because these channels here are really brittle and they'll break. We had a machine in the other side of the wall that was left by another company. Just so happens to be the same kind of machine we use. I used to take parts off of it, so I stripped it all down, took all the parts and all the gears, and oh, that's awful. That's very bad. That's going to be replaced. And you can see it in here. Yeah, that's all broken apart. I need to put my new one in there. Yeah, he'll be real happy to get this. Fits right on that pin. He'll be happy to get this thing fixed, because he couldn't run the boxes. The rollers are so tight, he'd have to push the box in there. You have to have it opened up just a little bit. Man. Wow, okay. I'll leave it right there for him. It's missing a bolt here. That's odd. Okay. I'll drop this down and make sure. Hope it goes right in there. I might have to get off the lift and move it, finagle it a little bit to make sure it falls down in straight. Yeah, because those. All right, let me get on to that. People, that'd be easier. Okay. We're good now. He's got to clean this off a little better. Anyway. Alright. So you have to, these are just the rollers for different thickness of boxes. Sometimes we'll have a double wall box. I mean, it's as wide as the roller. Some of the boxes we do are wider than this roller here. And we have to throw them up over the top and down in here. And side on. I'm the only one that works on these machines. So, I've been working on them for so darn long. This is going to be a treat, folks. Get it started. Let that side. Tighten it up a little, see if we got her. I don't think I did. Kind of like these wrenches because they're always never hold the size of nut you need and to tighten up on. Okay, got it. That was an easy fix. But we'll have people, new people that start, and they'll get label wraps around these dang things, and the first thing they do, they pull out a utility knife and they cut. And nobody sees them. If we see them do it, we catch them real quick, and it cuts the roller, the rubber. And we have to tell them, say, don't do that, because you keep doing that, it puts grooves in a darn roller, and it, you know. So what ends up happening to do is I have to take it all apart and take it to a place we get them done and drop them off, and it takes about a week to get them. What they do, I think they burn the rubber off, or they strip it or lathe it, whatever they do. Then they recoat it and they put it on a lathe and they shave it down to the size we need. And I guess the word they use is durometer, the hardness of the rubber. There you go, Brandon. You got a brand new, well, not a used spring. So there you go. Put the rollers back. I hope I can get them right in the same place that he had them for his box. But yeah, he'll be happy. Not bad. I mean, these machines are easy to work on. They're not that hard. But these are custom made for what we use them for. So, been doing it for a couple years. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Whew, that was easy.